This is Amit. He's been trying to get a simple answer from a government office, but every visit just leaves him more frustrated.
Sir, your file is still under process. Please check again later.
Amit walked away again, unsure if he would ever get a clear answer.
There is still no update. You may have to wait a few more days.
Amit stepped back again, each visit leaving him more worn out, more uncertain, wondering if he would ever get a real update.
Sir, the officer is not available today. He is on leave.
Amit felt like he would never get an answer. Every visit broke his hope a little more, and he was almost ready to give up.
Then he found File My RTI, filed online in minutes, and received the official answer within 30 days. If you're facing challenges like Amit, stop waiting for answers. File My RTI, the smarter way to get official information.